Introducing the Rhinox S60 and S70 concrete pouring buckets, the ultimate solution for precision pouring on your construction projects. Whether you're working on a small scale project or a massive construction site, the Rhinox S60 and S70 buckets are here to make your life easier. Equipped with the rounded chute, you can produce consistent and uniform pours while minimising waste and overflow. Reach those tricky areas with no problems. So, if you're ready to take your operations to the next level, get your hands on a Rhinox S60 or S70 concrete pouring bucket for your tilt rotate.